In this video, I will be showing you to install Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 by replacing Windows 11 files with Windows 10. How to install Windows 11 without TPM 2.0 by replacing Windows 11 files with Windows 10. It is the best option to upgrade your Windows OS from Windows 10 to Windows 11 if your computer does not support TPM 2.0. This method will replace some Windows 11 files with Windows 10. For that, follow the upcoming steps. Now download both ISO files and Windows 10 ISO and Windows 11. After that, extract both files into a separate folder with the help of WinRAR. Keep both folders side by decreasing their size or dragging them. Now, press CTRL+A from the computer keyboard in Windows 10 source folder to select all files. After that, press and hold the Control key and click on install.wim file to deselect it. The above image is for reference. Then, right-click and select the copy option to copy all files except install.wim from the Windows 10 folder and paste it into Windows 11 source folder. Next, when prompted, allow replacing all files. That's it. Now your file is ready to be installed. If you want to upgrade your computer OS, run the setup file from the Windows 11 folder. Follow the instructions to upgrade your OS from Windows 10 to 11. That's all for this article. I hope this article will add some value to your work. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press bell icon to get latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.